So you received the Take a Bite PD flyer in your email. Now what? Take a look at the flyer and look at the topic. The next topic is creating Google Forms assessments. Details below the topic will tell you a little bit more of what will be covered, such as settings needed or suggested to make a quiz, and learning how to create 10 plus different types of questions and learn which ones will be automatically corrected for you. Check out the date and time. It's going to be October 22nd from 3:45 to 4:15. And note the location. This Take a Bite PD will occur in Ackley at the library. Next, pause to think about if creating Google Forms assessment is of any interest to you or would help you in your classroom right now. If you're thinking about that and you're thinking yes, click on the RSVP. Clicking on that will open up a live version of the flyer. You can click RSVP again, and in a separate window, you'll get to the Take a Bite PD RSVP form. Here, you'll enter your name, and you will decide if you would like to attend in person, via Zoom, or if you can't attend but would like to know when the recording is available. As long as at least one person attends the Take a Bite PD, there will be a recording available to anyone not able to make it. Go back to the flyer. On the flyer beneath the RSVP is the Zoom link. On October 22nd at 3:45, you can use this link to attend Take a Bite PD from a different building or location. Underneath the Zoom link is a suggestions link. Opening that will take you to the Take a Bite suggestions form. If there's a topic that you think would benefit you to learn a little bit more about and would help your classroom, go ahead and put it in the suggestions box. I'll regularly check suggestions and use that to guide what topics I will offer during Take a Bite PD. Again, Take a Bite PD will happen every week, and I will try and share the information for the topic the Friday before each week. It's optional, come only if it fits your needs, and hopefully you will find some of the topics really beneficial for your classroom. As always, if you have trouble navigating the flyer or any of the links, just reach out and I will help you. Thank you.